Now, we stand at the threshold of a new era where money isn't just paper or coins tucked away in a bank vault. It exists as dynamic, digital code secured by trailblazing mathematics. In this series, we're going to explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies from their humble origins and core principles to their transformative global impact. Imagine how you can now send digital tokens instantly for an online purchase, much like clicking send on an email, bypassing the delays that traditional cash or checks once imposed. Envision transactions that are immediate and transparent, cutting out the slow, sometimes cumbersome intermediaries of traditional banking. Picture every payment being recorded on a digital ledger that is immutable, secure, and accessible to everyone worldwide. This isn't science fiction, it's unfolding right now. Consider a small business owner in a remote area who receives payments instantly from international clients, or a migrant sending remittances to family without exorbitant fees. This is the power and promise of cryptocurrencies rewriting financial norms. Let's travel back to 2009, when a mysterious figure named Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin. Bitcoin wasn't just a digital currency launch, it was a spark that ignited a transformation. Conceived as a decentralized alternative to traditional money, Bitcoin demonstrated that mathematics could build trust, shifting power away from central authorities and giving individuals full control of their transactions. Early adopters began exchanging Bitcoins much like collectors trading rare baseball cards, proving that what started as a theoretical breakthrough quickly found practical, real-world application. At the heart of this transformation lies a technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a continuously growing ledger, a series of digital blocks chronologically chained together using cryptography. Once a transaction is verified and recorded in a block, it forms part of an immutable record, accessible to anyone. Blockchain's influence extends far beyond cryptocurrencies. It's laying the groundwork for innovations in supply chain management, voting systems, healthcare, and even art. With non-fungible tokens (NFT), blockchain offers artists and collectors a way to authenticate, own, and trade digital art securely. Picture a coffee farmer in Colombia tagging each bean batch with blockchain data so that a buyer in New York knows exactly where the beans came from with verified authenticity. Meanwhile, decentralized finance DeFi is challenging traditional financial institutions by enabling borderless, peer-to-peer lending and trading. Imagine borrowing money directly from someone halfway across the globe, entirely without banks or brokers. Cryptocurrency is as much a philosophy as it is a technology. It's a movement that redefines value, autonomy, and trust. By decentralizing money, cryptocurrencies deliver a level of freedom and inclusivity that legacy systems have long suppressed. In the videos ahead, we'll break down these transformative ideas. We're starting with the absolute basics. What is a cryptocurrency, and why does it matter? We'll demystify jargon like blockchain, encryption, decentralization, and smart contracts. If you've heard of Ethereum's potential to automate contracts in real estate, think of it as a digital handshake that's irrevocable once agreed upon. You're already glimpsing how these concepts impact real-world situations. Whether you're a novice or someone tracking these trends, our goal is to illuminate both the big picture and the fine technical details. Over the course of our journey, we'll explore a variety of digital assets. We'll start with Bitcoin, the pioneer, and then dive into its successors and innovative alternatives. Bitcoin, often compared to digital gold for its store of value properties, contrasts with Ethereum's dynamic smart contract platform, which is more like a smartphone loaded with countless powerful applications. Other altcoins may focus on privacy or speed in transactions, each adding a unique twist to the future landscape of digital finance. No transformation is without its challenges. Cryptocurrencies have made headlines for dramatic price swings and regulatory uncertainties. Consider Bitcoin's roller coaster price fluctuations that can leave investors both exhilarated and cautious, much like riding a financial themed park ride. There are also concerns about security, scalability, and environmental impacts. Just as early debates once surrounded the birth of the Internet, these challenges remind us that even transformative ideas need refinement and regulation. As you listen to this introduction, envision a brighter, more interconnected future. Imagine every transaction as a building block in a global ledger of trust, creating endless opportunities for creativity, collaboration, and economic empowerment. Think of blockchain not just as lines of code, but as the fundamental architecture of a fresh societal model, one where digital art by creators around the globe is authenticated in real time. We are at the beginning of what might be the most significant technological evolution of our time. The story of cryptocurrencies is about reimagining our relationship with money and trust in the modern world, a meeting point where centuries-old financial practices are challenged by innovative ideas aiming to opening opportunity. Regions where traditional banking is scarce. Here, microtransactions powered by crypto become lifelines, much like barter systems evolving into efficient, globally connected digital markets. Thank you for joining me on this introduction. As we journey into the digital evolution of cryptocurrencies, remember that every innovation starts with a single idea spark that grows to change the world. Think of the telephone's humble beginnings, initially dismissed as a novelty, before connecting billions worldwide. With each new video, we'll peel back another layer of the captivating complexity behind these transformative technologies, empowering you to navigate both their amazing potential and the challenges they bring.